Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For all the new dads and moms out there who are wanting to try to find some sort of activity center, we found this one on, I believe it was on Walmart, but they have it on Amazon too, I'm sure. There's a million of these things out there, but I'm just going to do an open box and review on this one. This is the 2-in-1 Like a Boss Activity Center. We have a almost 4-month-old now. He's just past 3 months now, so he gets really bored sitting inside his bouncer or just kind of sitting in the playpen or play yard, and we thought maybe we should get something a little bit different, maybe something that will help him be more engaged and maybe learn something. So this one does not have wheels. As you may know, it's not recommended to get the ones with wheels because it may impede their ability to walk, maybe delay their ability to walk later on. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Great thing about being a parent, you get to put everything together. So this looks like a little computer piece, almost like a little computer piece for kids to play with, and it looks like there's a battery component too, so probably make some noise. Not that they'll get enough of that as they get older. Lots of pieces. Looks like your legs, and then these are some more activities that they can play with. Looks like a little device that kind of goes around the pole there. This is the seat, part of the seat, and then some more activities that they can play with. Oh, that's kind of cool. It has like a little cup and a little triangle with play safety pins and paper clips in there, so that's kind of cool. And then the instructions here. Yeah. There's a little mat. Looks like it's just washable, and it's very soft material. And always don't forget to register your products because the recalls do happen, and you don't want to have injuries to your child. Okay, so I'm going to try to put this thing together. Wish me luck. Alright, finally done. It took about 10 minutes to put everything together. As you can see from the video, probably the hardest part was trying to figure out how to put this little seat in. Apparently put it on the outside of it, and it kind of folds into the center of it. Let's just go over these things real quick. So you have this little computer here. There's 3 different options that you can use, different volumes. Very nice startup sound.
I have 1, 2, 3 crayons.
And there's, like I said, 3 different options here and different volumes, so if that's too loud for you, just turn down a little bit. They have tape dispenser, a little coffee cup, a plant, and a little triangle. These do have like little attachments so they're not prone to fall off. However, I did see like it can be pulled out. You just have to kind of fix this little tag right here so it's facing out, and it looks like a little T, so it's not being pulled out. Little typewriter here, a printer or something, and then this is a little piece of paper, like a calendar. Your tissues, they really like that sound for some reason, and then your cell phone here. So there's a cell phone here, and it does have a Velcro attachment to it, so you're definitely not going to be able to throw that thing out. There's a little mouse right here, so you can play with that, and some clicking sounds. What's great about this is that it actually grows with your child. So after they become independent a little bit more and able to stand up and so forth, you can actually replace the center console with a little activity center in the middle. Looks like it's pretty easy. The squares go to squares, circles to circles. So that's something you can do later on. So our little one's asleep right now. We're gonna throw him in here after he wakes up and see if he likes it or not, and I'll let you know.